Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Go zoom it.
So guys, 6 बज चुके हैं, which means it's time to enjoy some music now. Well, this is your social jockey Nikita saying hello and welcome to Zoom It. Well, आज का दिन है Sunday and Sunday की शाम means no काम धाम. Well, इसी बात पे let's check out our first request for the evening, which is Fevicol से जो dedicate किया है जिया ने for Divu Rathod and उनका message is Hi, I want to dedicate this song to all Bhai's fans. That is अपनी दुनिया की population में हर तीसरा इंसान कोकोस भाई के फैंस तो चारों तरफ फैले हैं. Enjoy the full टशन भाई का गाना. चलिए, आज सल्लू भाई का तो दिन बन गया. But you know what? Let me tell you one thing. वैसे सल्लू भाई का स्टाइल ही ऐसा है कि उनके फैंस हर जगह फैले हुए हैं. जरा आसपास देखो, पक्का एक आध फैन आपके साइड में भी बैठा होगा. Well, आप लोग अभी फेविकॉल से तो चिपक ही गए हैं. इसी बात पे we are going to check out our next request, which is a video request, and it is.
Hi, good evening all. This is Srinivas here from Mumbai. It's been a while that I've met my college friends, so I would like to tell them this thing. I miss you all and dedicate a song from Ashiki 2. सुन रहा है ना तू, रो रहा हूँ मैं. Thank you.
Well, ऐसा गाना तो जनरली कोई अपनी लवर को डेडिकेट करेगा, लेकिन आप अपनी कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स को लगता है काफी ज्यादा मिस कर रहे हैं, तभी तो you're saying कि रो रहा हूँ मैं. तो ये मत, your college friends are just a call away. Well, it's time for the first sweet tweet of the day, which is by Priyanka Chopra, and she has tweeted saying, "Champions are made from tough stuff, learning from the champ herself." Well, लगता है यहाँ पर दो champions post कर रहे हैं. But moving on, we have our third request for the day, which is Balam Pichkari, जो dedicate किया है लगन ने for Divyani, and उनका message is, "Hey Divyani, I know that you're so far away from me. You're in Meerut and I was in Bangalore. I have memories of you. I'm missing you so much. Your phone is always busy when I have time to call you. I'm sorry, but in 2014, I will really come to Meerut. Miss you for our favorite song. Enjoy." Well, Divyani, थोड़ा टाइम निकालो because लगन is missing you a lot. And वैसे 2014 ज़्यादा दूर नहीं, लेकिन उसके टाइम तक थोड़ी दूरियां कम करो, टाइम निकालो एक दूसरे के लिए and अपना फेवरेट गाना सुनो. You know what, guys? आज इस संडे के स्पेशल दिन पर it's possible that we don't have a special person for you. Well, इसी बात पर I have a special guest coming up in some time. लेकिन वो guest होंगे कुछ ही देर में right after this break. तो कहीं मत जाइए. Keep talking to me on my Twitter handle @GoZoomIt.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Welcome back, guys. You're watching Zoom It and this is your social jockey Nikita. वक्त है अपनी अगली रिक्वेस्ट देखने का, which is one very cool song. That is Boom Boom, जो रिक्वेस्ट किया है निहारिका ने मनीषा के लिए. And उनका message is, "Of all the friends I have ever met, you're the one I won't ever forget. And if I die before you do, I'll go to heaven and wait for you. दुआ करती हूँ मेरी ये तुम दोनों से दोस्ती कभी ना टूटे. ओजस्वी एंड मनीषा, this one is only for you." ये सॉन्ग एंड मैसेज थोड़ा कॉन्ट्रडिक्टिंग है, पर इट्स ओके. लेट्स अज्यूम कि इस मैसेज में कोई हिडन मीनिंग है. आफ्टर ऑल इतना इंटेंस जो है, लेकिन अभी के लिए इंटेंसिटी को रखिए साइड में एंड लेट्स एंजॉय दिस कूल सॉन्ग. So guys, after some boom boom, it's time for our next request, which is Tie Tie Fish to dedicate किया है हेतवी पटेल ने for Sanika Joshi. And उनका message is, "This song is to my best friend Sanika because her boyfriend has proposed her just 2 days before, and I will sing this song to her because I really know poor guy will be in what state." Haha. अब आप ये गाना सानिका की हालत पर डेडिकेट कर रहे हैं या उनके बॉयफ्रेंड की कंडीशन पर? लेकिन as you say poor guy, तो I think this गाना is for the poor guy. Well, अब रणबीर कपूर के फैंस को तो खुश कर दिया, but now we have to see that who else is very happy after getting lots of gifts. It's none other than Dia Mirza, who has tweeted saying the best gift ever. Woohoo! Thank you Devraj Sanyal, Cinema Gods Books. अब ये तो पता चल गया that Dia Mirza is fond of reading. लेकिन you know what? ऐसी एक पास टाइम जरूर होना चाहिए. जैसे आजकल पास टाइम में मुझे अजीब और गरीब सपने आते हैं. And in dreams का interpretation क्या है? Well, कुछ ही देर में Pulkit Samraj will come and tell you all this. लेकिन उससे पहले it's time for a break. तो कहीं मत जाइए. Keep talking to me on my Twitter handle @GoZoomIt.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
You know what? I had a dream just now. ये जो मेरा social world है ना, it suddenly come alive. My Twitter bird is flying and saying कि I've hacked your Facebook page. मतलब I'm going to take all your Facebook requests now. And अभी no more Facebook requests. It's all on Twitter. ये bird पता नहीं क्या करे. Wait a second. What does this dream mean? Actually, wait. I think I know the right person to explain this because with me here is one fukra. हम उनसे पूछे.
Hi.
Hello. Please
up?
explain my dream.
ड्रीम, आपका ड्रीम बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है. तो आपके ड्रीम में क्या हुआ कि एक ट्विटर बर्ड आपके पास आई.
हाँ.
और उसने आपसे कहा कि उसने आपका फेसबुक अकाउंट हैक कर दिया है.
हाँ.
और आपसे वो सारी रिक्वेस्ट लेगी.
Right.
So what? ट्विटर बर्ड में ट्विटर बर्ड होती है ब्लू, इसलिए वो गई फेसबुक पे. फेसबुक पे होता है ब्लू, यानी कि ब्लू, और ब्लू बनता है ग्रीन और रेड को मिला के. नहीं, ग्रीन और रेड से ग्रीन और येलो को मिलाकर बनता है ब्लू, यानी कि एक कलर होगा उसका ग्रीन, यानी कि सिग्नल निकला ग्रीन. दैट मीन्स कि आपका जो फेसबुक अकाउंट है और आपका जो ट्विटर अकाउंट है उसको मिला है ग्रीन सिग्नल.
हाँ.
कि इस पे इतने सारे रिक्वेस्ट आएंगे इन फ्यूचर, इतने सारे रिक्वेस्ट आएंगे कि यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू हैंडल ऑन योर ओन. यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू हैंडल इट ऑन योर ओन. सो यू नीड अ बिग टीम टू हैंडल इट बिकॉज योर शो इज गोना गेट सो फेमस. ऐसा है.
Okay, so now I finally know what this dream meant. This was Honey's interpretation, or I should say Pulkit's interpretation, who's sitting with me here right now. Welcome to the show, Pulkit.
Hi Nikita, thank you so much.
ये एक बहुत ही आपने twisted सा एक मेरा dream का जो interpretation दिया है. It's something what Honey would do, or it's something what Pulkit would do.
This is something what actually Honey would do.
हाँ.
But अब तो पुलकित को भी आदत पड़ गई है.
So let me tell you something about the show, Pulkit. It's a show where I taken requests from people through Facebook. And I played for them. लेकिन मैं चाहूँगी कि आप हमारे लिए वो रिक्वेस्ट पढ़ें. Read that out.
Superb. I love you, Mr. अनिकेत. ओ तेरी. अनिकेत ने भेजी है सागर सोसाइटी यंगस्टर्स को रिक्वेस्ट. डेडिकेट किया सॉन्ग फुक फुक फुकरे एंड ही साउंड्स लाइक ए टोटल रिबेल एंड फुकरा. ही सेज सोसाइटी में फुटबॉल नहीं खेलने दिया तो सारी सोसाइटी की गाड़ियों की हवा निकाल देंगे. इट्स टाइम टू रिबेल फॉर आवर ओन हैप्पीनेस गाइस. कम ऑन, आई एम विद यू. अगर नहीं माने तो मैं आके नाचूंगा वहाँ पे गाड़ियों पे, बसेस पे, और तोड़ डालेंगे, सबको तोड़ डालेंगे. तुम जाके फुटबॉल खेलो यार. ये क्या मतलब उम्र है तुम्हारी खेलने की? गो प्लीज प्ले दिस.
So much energy, and you know you get that rebel vibe from this song. But are you a rebel as such?
थोड़ा फिल्मी डायलॉग मारूंगा. अगर सच के साथ खड़े होने को रिबेल कहते हैं तो हाँ मैं रिबेल हूँ. So it's just that, yeah, I just follow what my heart says. If we would have not done what our heart says, you would not be sitting here. I would not be sitting here.
Definitely. But moving on, you know, I have to tell you, since this show is all about social media, I also give Twitter updates to people. So let's check out our next Twitter update. It is by Amrita Rao.
Okay.
Who has tweeted saying memories of waking up at 5:30 a.m. to go horse riding with dad at the race course. Tobler was our favorite horse. Well, have you tried horse riding?
I love horse riding. See, horses, I've been lucky that I relate to horses a little. They connect with me when I, go and try to sit on them and then I ride them. They actually help me ride them because you can't ride a horse otherwise.
Yeah.
Till the time the horse actually loves you.
I really want you to read our next request in a very fukra style. So, let's hear that.
Okay. अरे
थोड़ी romantic request है तो आप उसको थोड़ा twist कर दीजिए.
नेक्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट है तसव्वुर से मिस्टर वरुण धवन के लिए. अरे वरुण, क्या रिक्वेस्ट है ये यार. ये है वरुण धवन का खुद का गाना कॉल्ड इश्क वाला लव. मैं 15 साल की प्यारी सी लड़की हूँ. मेरी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मुझे वरुण धवन से इश्क वाला लव हो गया है. वाह यार इससे पहले कि मैं ये कंप्लीट करूँ, आई थिंक आई शुड गिव हर अ टिप टू एक्चुअली पटाओ वरुण धवन. सो शी शुड go to Switzerland, go in these ice-laden mountains and sing this song for him, and in every sentence always add Varun ishq wala love ho gaya hai, Varun ishq wala love ho gaya hai. So I think
I hope that works, you know. Honey की advice आप जरा seriously मत लीजिए.
So yeah, she further says, वरुण टीवी पर कहते हैं कि हाँ मैं क्रेजी हूँ और दूसरों को खुश करता है, तो प्लीज वरुण मुझे भी खुश कर दो.
Made this ishq wala love sound so comical, but you know, I want to know from you, what is your definition of ishq wala love? Like, is it serious? Is it fun, or what is it?
Ishq wala love, it's fun यार. Everything for me is fun. कि उसमें मजा आना चाहिए. तो I think for me it won't be ishq wala love, but it will be झाम-फाड़ love.
I think that's a new definition. That's all together झाम-फाड़ love.
Yeah, so this is झाम-फाड़ love. So I think तसव्वुर आप जाओ वरुण धवन के पास और उनको बोलो मुझे तुमसे झाम-फाड़ इश्क हो गया जाने मन. And see what he says.
So guys, यहाँ पर मुझे पुलकित इतनी सारी फुकरापंती की टिप्स दे रहे हैं, लेकिन अब उनको जरा पॉज करना पड़ेगा because we are going to take a short break. आप लोग कहीं मत जाए. Keep talking to me on my Twitter handle @GoZoomIt.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Welcome back, guys. You're watching Zoom In, and this is your social jockey Nikita with Pulkit. और यहाँ पर हो रही है बहुत सारी फुकरापंती, right, Pulkit?
Correct.
So anyway, we will move on to our next song, and Pulkit's gonna read that out for us.
अरे नाइस सॉन्ग यार. ये सॉन्ग है हर एक फ्रेंड और ये परी, भाई क्या नाम है यार, परी वर्मा ने प्रीति को भेजा है. ओके सो कमीनीज, आई लव अ लॉट माय बंदीज, बीट मस्ती और sorrows or anything, you are always there. Whenever I am sad or something, instead of consoling me, you both tell me something so stupid that I forget about the initial thing. I love you both so much. And that is such a nice thing to do, yaar. I think you've got very good bandis with you.
But for you, what is friendship all about?
Friendship for me is just be there for the other person, यार. और क्या? चाहे आपकी बात होती हो चाहे ना होती हो रोज, चाहे आप मिलते हो चाहे ना मिलते हो रोज, but it is a very true saying कि a friend in need is a friend indeed.
You know, when you were saying that saying was playing in my head.
Yo,
A
that's
friend
a
in
baby.
need. Yeah. Guys, for now, you can enjoy Har Ek Friend. You know, Pulkit, I haven't asked you this yet, but are you active on Twitter yourself?
I'm very active on Twitter.
Okay, and how important do you think is it to stay active on Twitter to connect with your fans?
See, I don't consciously try to be active on Twitter. I just consciously try to reply to every tweet that comes to me. That is what makes me active on Twitter. Otherwise, I don't have much things to say.
Okay.
So when people ask me something, I reply to them. When they appreciate something, I reply to them. When they criticize something, I try to fix it. So I think it's very important. That's like a touch base with the fan base that you have.
Right.
And it works really well for me.
चलिए इसी बात पे एक हम जरा Twitter update दे देते हैं. And it is by Madhuri Dixit, who has tweeted saying one more for you. So that's Madhuri and Ranbir dancing. What a combo. But you know, which is your favorite combination as a duo on screen?
I hate Ranbir. I'm jealous of him.
Is it because of Madhuri?
Of course. It's my dream to dance with her, yeah. I love her.
Okay, so now we are going to move on to our next request. And this is our last request for the day.
Okay.
And it's a Ranbir song, so you can see the love oozing out now.
With me. He has done Badtameezi with me. Okay, the song requested is Badtameez Dil from the movie Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, of course. And this is dedicated from Rachan to Shravika. Please tell me the meaning of your name, yaar. Okay, he says this is for the most beautiful girl of the world. So this is my heart jo kabhi manta hi nahi tha, but you changed my life. Thank you, my love. Enjoy thodi Badtameezi. वाह यार, बड़ा रोमांटिक बंदा है.
So बदतमीजी से I want to know, you know, बदतमीजी is all about getting naughty, mischievous, you know, ragging each other. And you know, have you ragged anyone when you were in college or been ragged?
Yeah, but I personally don't actually endorse ragging. But yeah, बदतमीजी जरूर करना है यार. मैं जब स्कूल में था, तो I would never bunk my classes. I was such a dedicated student. Only because ताकि मैं क्लास में बैठकर फर्स्ट बेंच पर बैठकर अपनी टीचर को परेशान कर सकूं. That was my motive of going to school every day.
Okay, so that was your part of being
बदतमीज.
You know, बदतमीजी तो अब हो गई. What I want to know from you is कि ऐसी एक छामफाड़ फुकरापंती चीज जो आपने लाइफ में की हो. I'm using your lingo now.
This is one instance I would love to narrate, which is very risky for me to narrate. By chance मेरी teacher या vice principal ने ये देख लिया, तो I am jhamfad out. Okay, my vice principal's room, his office, it had a glass window. Okay, over here and on this side as well. I went inside, opened the cupboard of my vice principal. I took out a bottle of glue from there and poured that entire bottle on the kursi. Then shut it back, put it back. Shut the cupboard, get out of the office. जैसे ही मैं निकला, then we were waiting on the 3rd floor and looking there कि अब आएंगे. And finally he sits on that chair. इतना मजा आया ना उस टाइम पर कि now he's sitting on that glue, and as soon as he sat, he realized that what he sat on. So I think sir has solved it for you now, because I'm sure you must be finding who did that.
You know what? It was so much fun chatting with you, Pulkit. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thank you so much for making this so comfortable for me. क्योंकि जब मैं यहाँ आया था बहुत nervous था. पर thank you for getting out the fukra in me. And I think it's
good. Like you should make everyone a fukra like that, because the concept is so cool.
She can be the fukra teacher,
right?
To get everybody enrolled in the fukra class and make them fukra.
Yeah, today on I'm also a fukri. So with that, guys, it's a wrap. And before that, I have to remind you that to keep sending in your requests on apps.facebook.com/gozoomin, and you can also send in your video requests on gozoomit@gmail.com. और मुझसे बातें करते रहिएगा on my Twitter handle @gozoomin. Till then, this is me and Pulkit saying, don't just like it, go zoom it.
Zoom it.
Go zoom it.